Hey there, Andy from Eco Dry Carpet Care. So we've just had this wood floor restoration this week, and it was a great sort of problem solution scenario where this part that I'm sat on is an old area, and the floor had oranged and yellowed over time, which is it naturally does. And over there is a new add-on to the property. So it's a new kitchen, it's a new kitchen island, diner, family room, big open plan space into the garden. So it's opened it up and there's lots of light, but the customers put a new floor down there. And what they wanted us to do was to blend it in. So we've got the old floor here, blended into the new floor. I'm really happy with the result, customers over the moon. And how did we do it? So what we've done, we've essentially sanded it right the way back, took off all the old aluminium oxide finish, and then we've put a colour intensifier in. So what that does, it brings out the grain, which matches the other side of the room. Then we've put 3 coats of a matte satin product down, Psychos I've used in this situation, which is a water-based lacquer. And the result's great. Just wanted to share that with you. And thanks for watching as ever. So as you can see, this grain really pops, and as it does in the new area. So it's never going to be completely seamless, but it's not a bad match at all. I'm really happy with it, and it goes right the way through into the kitchen and down into the hallway.